Hi everyone, welcome back to TechWise. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to upgrade to the latest version of Windows 11 even if your PC is not officially supported. And yes, all of your data, applications, and settings will be preserved, so let's get started. First, we need to download the latest Windows 11 ISO from the official Microsoft website. Open your browser and let's search for Windows 11 ISO download. And click on the first link, which should be the official Microsoft website. I've also left the link down below in the video's descriptions. Once you're on this page, let's scroll down to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO section and click on the drop-down menu and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then click on Confirm. Next, choose your language. Then click on Confirm. And finally click on 64-bit download. The ISO file is a little over 7 GB, so give it some time to finish downloading. And once the download is complete, we need to open the ISO file. To do that, right-click on it and select Mount. Then open the mounted drive, and you should see all the Windows installation files here. Now we're going to launch the setup using command prompt. So let's go to the address bar at the top and type cmd, and then press enter. This will open the command prompt window directly inside the installation folder. Now let's type the following command exactly as shown here. I've also left it in the video's descriptions below. Then press enter. Then click yes if prompted. The Windows setup window should now appear. Then click on the link that says change how setup downloads updates and select not right now, then click on next. Windows setup will now perform a compatibility check, which should pass successfully even on unsupported PCs. After that, just continue with the installation normally. And once Windows 11 is installed, you should see all of your files, applications, and settings exactly as they were before. And from this point on, you should also be able to receive normal Windows updates. Let me know in the comments how this went for you. And as always, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.